And I'm going to go ahead and start this asparagus so everything comes together at once. And if you got nice fresh asparagus, we just saute it in a little bit of butter. You can do olive oil, but I like butter. Salt, pepper, garlic.
Yes, exactly.
If you have a seasoning that you like, that's fine, but I tell you what, you can't hardly beat just salt, pepper, and garlic for asparagus. You don't want to get it overdone. You don't want it to droop on you. You want it to still have just a little bit of integrity and maybe just a little crunch.
Yeah.
So now, this is a little trick. Even if you don't like horseradish, get you a more mild horseradish. You can't imagine what just a little bit of horseradish, butter, and sour cream can do to some mashed potatoes.
That's
when
right.
you're having them with this au jus, it's a magic thing.
All I did was regular mashed potatoes with butter. We're going to add, and as much as you want, I have a pretty hearty scoop of sour cream here, because we like our sour cream. And probably, maybe just a little over a tablespoon of horseradish.
So butter and sour cream and a little bit of horseradish. Mild.
Yummy.
Oh my, did you already put the horseradish in there?
Yes, I did.
Look at that.
You try it?
Oh,
We try a little taste.